Something that we're going to have a look at now is working with PDF files. On the different courses that you might be doing, you might get sent in your emails some PDF files. So that's any files that end with .pdf. And that might be frustrating for you sometimes, because sometimes you might want to write on those documents, write your answers to send back to your tutor, and find that it's not possible to do so. And then so if you haven't got a printer, because if you had a printer, then you could print out the PDF documents and write on them and then upload photos and things like that. But what if you haven't got a printer? So there are things that you can do if you haven't got a printer and you want to be able to write answers on PDF files. So there's a couple of options really, and one of the options is to go to this site. So this is called PDF Escape. So this is something, so you can Google this, or you can just go to this address here. And so if you had a PDF file that you wanted to write on, what you would do is go to this option here. So you click on Free Online. And then it gives you a list of options there. And the one that you want is the second one that says Upload PDF to PDF Escape. And then you can browse for the file that you want to work with, the file that you want to write on. So I'm going to choose this one here and open this one. And then that file appears in this window. So this is the PDF file that I've chosen. Now, ordinarily with a PDF file like this, when you had lines here or boxes in a table and things like that, so you would not be able to type in the document. You would just get your white arrow like this, but it wouldn't let you do anything. So by using PDF Escape, what you can do is you can click on text over here on the left hand side, and then you'll notice here it says click and drag on page to insert a new object. So what you can do is you can, for example, click on this line here and you can start typing. I can do the same in this table. So if I wanted to type in that box there, I could click there and start typing. So you can do that throughout that document. And then when you've finished, if you want to save the changes, you've got a save icon over here, but you've got another one here that says save and download PDF. So you can click on that one. And then it gives you options then. Do you want to save it, or do you want to open it and then save it? So, for example, I could open this in my internet browser. So on my laptop, the default on mine is that I would open it with the Avast internet browser. So if you clicked on that, you'll see that what it does is it will open up that PDF file that you've just written on. So you can see there those changes, and then you could just obviously this might differ slightly from how it looks on my laptop to how it would look on whatever you've opened it up on, but I would click on download here and I could open the document and then save it. So that's one option. Using PDF Escape is really good. Another option that you could use is using a PDF to Word converter. So you could Google PDF to Word converter if you wanted to. And when you look for PDF to Word converters on the internet, there are lots and lots of results. But the trouble with a lot of them is that you would sort of get halfway through the process and then it would start asking you for money. It would start asking you to subscribe, paying monthly subscriptions or annual subscriptions, we don't want to pay anything. So one of the ones that doesn't ask you to pay anything is this one called Small PDF, which I've already looked at earlier. But if you hadn't already looked at it earlier, you would just click on that link and it would open up this website. If you want to go to it directly, this is the web address up here. So with this site, again, it's really good. So as an alternative to using PDF Escape, so PDF Escape lets you write on PDF files and save them. What a PDF to Word converter does, like this one, Small PDF, it lets you open up a file. So I'm going to open up the same file that I just used on PDF Escape. And it says uploading. And you can see the name of the file over here. And then you've got two options. It says convert to Word or convert to Word with OCR Pro only. We don't want the Pro version. We don't want to pay anything. We just want the free one. So we're going to choose convert to Word, click in this little circle here. And then click on choose option. Now it says converting. So it has now very quickly converted that PDF file to Word. What I'm going to do is click on download here. And then by default it says you want to open this with Word. So I'm going to open that with Word. I'm going to click on OK. And after a short delay, so here is that file. So I'm going to click on enable editing so that I can edit that. But now you can see that that file that was a PDF file that you couldn't click on to type on, I can now click in those various places and I can type, because it is now a Word document. It is no longer a PDF file. So I can type whatever I want on that document and then I can save it like I normally would a Word document. And then I could then, of course, if I were you, then send that document back to my tutor as a Word file so that they could see what I've done. Okay, so that's two really nice options there.